Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can open the settings. Simply tap on this arrow right here, or simply unroll it. Now we have to tap on the settings in the right lower corner, and on the second position we've got the timer. So here in this device you've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option. Let's go back and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. That was really loud, sorry. Of course, if you want, you can turn it off. Just go back to those options, to the settings, and tap on the timer and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.